In this lesson, you will place air terminals in the ceiling of a room, modify air terminal parameters, and work with the airflow schedule. Click the menu browser and select Open. And from the Training Files Imperial Mechanical Systems folder, open the file RME Mech Air Systems 01. With the current view as Level 2 HVAC ceiling, open the Schedule view, space Airflow Schedule, and then click the View tab and tile the windows. Then click inside the ceiling view and zoom in to its upper left corner. Then click inside the Schedule view and scroll down and select space 223. Notice that the space is highlighted in the plan view as well. And also take note of the actual supply airflow value, and then click inside the ceiling plan. Then click the Home tab, and from the HVAC panel, click Air Terminal. Then take note of the current element type, which is a supply diffuser, and on the placement panel, click Place on Face. Then place the supply diffuser at the location shown. Then click Modify and select the diffuser, and on the options bar for flow, change the CFM to 425. The schedule then updates. With the diffuser still selected, from the Modify panel, click Copy, and on the options bar, make sure that Constraint is cleared and select Multiple. Then click the upper left corner of the diffuser, move your cursor down, and type 12 and enter. Move your cursor further down and type 12 and enter again. And then place 2 additional copies as shown and press Escape. Next, to tag the diffusers, click the Annotate tab, and from the Tag panel, click Tag by Category. Then, on the options bar, clear Leader, and select one of the diffusers. In the Alert dialog, click Yes, and load the diffuser tag from the Training Files Imperial Mechanical Systems folder. Then, select each of the 5 diffusers to tag them and press Escape. Notice all the values in the schedule for that space. Next, to place return diffusers, click the Home tab, and from the HVAC panel, click Air Terminal, and click the Change Element Type drop-down and select Work Plane Based Return Diffuser, and on the Placement tab, click Place on Face. Then place 2 diffusers as shown. Then click Modify, and we now need to edit the diffuser family in order to align the edges to the ceiling grid lines. Select one of the return diffusers, and from the Family panel, click Edit Family. In the Revit dialog, click Yes, and in the Project browser, expand Views, Floor Plans, and double-click Ref Level. Select the symbolic lines shown using the Control key. Then click Instance Properties, and for reference, select Strong Reference and click OK. Then click Load into Project, and in the Family Already Exists dialog, click Overwrite the existing version and its parameter values. Then zoom in to the Return diffuser at the bottom left of the lounge, and from the Modify tab, click Align. Then select the vertical grid line shown, followed by the right edge of the diffuser. Then select the horizontal grid line shown, followed by the top edge of the diffuser. Then, using the same method, align the other return diffuser as shown. And then press Escape twice. Next, to modify the airflow display arrows, select the return diffuser and click Element Properties. Then clear right arrow and down arrow and click OK. Then select the return diffuser at the lower left. Then go to its element properties and clear left arrow. Then close both files without saving any changes, as the next lesson will provide its own training file. And that concludes this lesson.